Hey, welcome to LearnLogicPro.com. Today we're going to look at importing a movie into Logic, and we're looking at the Arrange window of Logic Pro 8. Up at the top we have our options for movies. As we scroll down we have Open Movie, and some of them are grayed out at this point. Remove Movie, Import Audio from Movie, Import Audio to Arrange, Export Audio to the Movie, Create Markers, and remove markers as well. So the first one I want to do is open up a movie. Then it asks me where on the hard drive. I'm going to go ahead and just grab this this one here. So here we have the video clip. Now if you close this, you'll notice that it does come up in the upper left corner. If you double click this, it floats. Okay. Some of the options are, if we right click on the movie, we can do different size configurations. We can keep it centered. And then we also have the video project settings. And when we go into here, there are some things you want to make sure. First, you can change the video output. You can go out to FireWire if you are using some sort of video outputting device. You can also send the sound out a specific output. This is the volume of just the movie. You can change the movie start time if you want to offset it from the bars and beats. You can change it to follow the tempo. Here also you have video preferences, so I'm going to click on there. Here we get into the video project, the frames, external video to project. These are different adjustments that you can do. The cache resolution, basically how when you're caching these things, what is the resolution? You can make it high quality. You want to leave it on medium as default, but if you have a faster machine, you can maybe bring these up a little bit. Video output, release output device in background. Obviously you want to release that output. You also have the video project settings button comes back to this. There is one other thing that you do want to make sure about is your synchronization. So I'm going to click on the synchronization in project settings, and here you have an option to change the frame rate depending on the project that you're on. Usually you can find out the frame rate by using QuickTime Pro and going into the info of the video, get the info of the video, and it'll tell you what the frame rate is. Here you can also change the bar position to where the SMPTE time plays. So with the video in the timeline, again you can right click to change the size. We can bring this up a little. But with the video in the timeline, there's one other place that you can view this, and up in the global tracks, I'm going to go ahead and hit the triangle, you have a video timeline here. We're going to bring this up a little bit bigger, and you can see it here. You can actually see thumbnail versions. You can close this, bring it up here, and now you see thumbnail versions with this buried here. So you get back some of the real estate of your user interface. Here you can also detect the cuts, and this basically goes through and slices, creating markers here of all the scenes that are available, scene 1, scene 2, and so on. And that's adding video into LearnLogic Pro.